In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this blue and gold water marble design. For this design, you'll need a cup or bowl of room temperature water, 2 different shades of blue and a gold polish, some paper towel, and a tool to make the design with. Prep your nails by painting them a solid white and tape your cuticles for easier cleanup. Start building up your bullseye by alternating the different colors. If your polish doesn't spread well, try using either a newer polish or another brand. Once your bullseye is ready, take your tool and then start making the design. Make sure to wipe off your tool every now and then for a cleaner look. Also, try to work fast so the polish doesn't dry. Once you're satisfied with the design, line up your finger and slowly dip it in. Blow on the surface to make the polish dry faster, and then remove the excess polish with a toothpick. Slowly remove your nail from the water and you're done. Now I'm just going to show you all the steps once more, and this time I'll be dipping all 4 nails at a time. This way you'll waste less polish and you'll also save a lot of time. When you're done with all of your nails, go ahead and clean up around your nails and then apply a fast drying top coat. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!